Talking about benchmark supremacy, iPhone has been defeating Samsung Galaxy for quite a long time now. iPhone X has already defeated Samsung Galaxy S8, is it to defeat Samsung Galaxy S9 also? Please subscribe to Android Tips right now. Let's see some of the specifications that iPhone X or Galaxy S9 outrank each other. Galaxy S9 has more megapixels. Around 55% more pixels than Apple iPhone X. More resolution means sharper and crisper screen. Around 33% more RAM than Apple iPhone X. More RAM means more applications can run at the same time, which makes the device faster. Samsung has more cores which result in better parallelism, meaning more tasks can be processed in parallel without slowing down the user interface. Around 10% more battery capacity than Apple iPhone X. With more battery size, device's battery can generally last more time, though it depends on various other factors too. Well, iPhone X is said to have more processing power than Samsung Galaxy S9 according to Geekbench.com. Samsung Galaxy S9 scores 2,680 for single-core and 7,787 for multi-core, while iPhone X scores 4,246 for single-core and 10,260 for multi-core. Galaxy S9 benchmark is based on Samsung's new Exynos 9 Series 9810 processor. The benchmark was published on the 14th of November 2017. The information available now shows that the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 will debut inside Galaxy S9. This is expected to boast the benchmark of Samsung Galaxy S9 to a higher level. So, is Samsung Galaxy S9 will be launched this February 25th. Will it outrank iPhone for the first time? For update on this and many more, please subscribe to Android Tips.